there are 3 tech gadgets that I use for accessibility as someone who lives with ADHD. Number 1, my Garmin watch. I absolutely love this thing so much. It keeps me on track for work. It keeps me on track for my workouts. When I drink water, this is what my face looks like. I'll show you guys. It's super, super nice. It allows me to count my steps, and it's not a miniature phone, so it doesn't actually allow me to text or anything like that. So it's kind of nice because it helps me focus and it helps me keep track and combat my time blindness. Number 2 are my Beats Solo. I love them so much to be able to use them as body double aids. Finally, number 3 is my Google Home. I am obsessed with my Google Home, and I pair that with my lights. And when I tell you that I can turn off my lights while safely in my bed, no more boogeyman for this gal. Another one of my favorite features is that you can actually set timers and alarms, and I legitimately use it every single day to be able to wake up in the morning, to be able to get my tasks done. It helps me keep on track and makes me feel like it's not a never-ending task. Please let me know if you guys use any of these gadgets already, or if you have some that already work for you, please comment them down below because I would love to try more out. Thank you so much. Hope this helps.